here, but no bother. Today Sherry's going to show you just how simple it is to transform that old sweatshirt into something totally adorable that you'd love to wear with a skirt or a pair of jeans or whatever the hell you want. So stick around for that and see you later.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.
For this quick and easy project, all you need are 2 sweatshirts of similar size, your scissors, and your sewing gear. For your first step, grab one of the sweatshirts, flip it inside out, lay it on a flat surface, and chop off that wide band at the bottom. This is going to become your comfortable new off-shoulder neckline. Because sweatshirt material doesn't fray, you can simply leave this raw edge as is for a deconstructed look, or you can simply fold it under and give it a nice clean hem. Next, grab the other sweatshirt, fold it in half with the neckline and shoulder seams evenly lined up, and then go ahead and chop right under that neckline seam all the way to just past the shoulder seam.
Subscribe to my mom's channel, follow her on social media, and buy her ebooks. Yay! Thank you!
Unfold your sweatshirt and you have a perfectly deconstructed flash dance look. Now, you could leave it as is and wear it seriously just off your shoulders, but I want to go for a more finished look, so I'm going to grab that chopped waistband area from the other sweatshirt and put it over top of this one with right sides facing and the raw edges lined up. Once you have everything in place, head on over to your machine and stitch it all together with a tight, wide zigzag. Now, if, like mine, your waistband fabric is not as long as your sweatshirt, you will have to stretch as you stitch so they match up evenly. Once you have the pieces stitched together, go ahead and flip it right side out and enjoy your fabulously comfortable off-shoulder sweatshirt. This super comfy off-shoulder sweatshirt came out even better than I had imagined. Yay! For loads more tips, tricks, and rockin' Refashionista tutorials, head on over to my Confessions of a Refashionista at awesomesauceashattery.com, and as always, be sure to share your fave tutorials and articles with your online circles and help me spread the sustainable style love. And until next time, I'll catch ya on the zigzag.